cordless robotic pool cleaner. Let's see what it's about. Looks like a little bit of assembly required. Wow, this is the filter. Plug it in into the wall, flushing, meaning charging. So there it is, I charged it up. Let's put it in the pool, see how well it will clean. It's nice to have a pool cleaning machine without any kind of wires. But on top of it, I do have a wired cleaner. It is really annoying to pull it out. I have a smaller, like a cage pool for the overflow, and that's where all the leaves are falling. And the wire one, I can't even put it over here. A wire doesn't reach here, and it just get tangled and stuff. So we'll put to the test both this pool and this pool. So it's nice to have that. I don't have to worry about the wire. So all we have to do is just flip it over, this sealed, and turn it on. Okay, now both lights are light up. Okay, it actually delays for 30 seconds and it going, wow, it actually goes quick. That is awesome. Okay, it's vacuumed it all up. There was a little bit of dirt over here. Wow, it goes so fast. I never seen a pool vacuum go so fast. They're usually really slow. I like it because it will like catch a lot of debris, and especially that like a sandy stuff like dust and pollen. That's especially what's I like to get it out. Okay, and there's some more debris. Let's see if it's gonna go over the grate, see if it's going to get stuck. No way! Wow, usually all the other pool cleaners always got it stuck. Okay, this is the dirty section. Lay it down, submerge it. It blows everything out. I should probably use a lot of it with like a net, but all the dust in here, let's see if it's going to pick it up. So the way it works, it pumps one direction and then the other way, and that's how it goes forward and backwards. Okay, we're gonna leave it in this section, see how much debris it will get. It's cleaning it pretty good. I can see where it's been and where it haven't been. All that sand and dust settlement on certain areas. Looks like missed one spot, but it's because of the grate. Everywhere else it looks so much cleaner. I love it. Here's a missed spot, but again, just put it over again, it will clean it up. It has just been that dirty. Whoa, that's a lot. There's sand in there, so that filter is really fine. Look how much sand there is. Wow, loaded up. So yeah, it picks up a lot of stuff. It pretty much got overfilled because the pool was so dirty. If I use it a couple times a week, it wouldn't get so loaded up because it would stay much cleaner. I have right here, this is the good battery. I got it from the good pile. And there's a bars. Wow, good, weak, poor. So this one is definitely good. Then there's a different one, see, also good, but not all the way, so it's a little bit used or getting old. Then there's a AA. Okay, where's the AA? Oh, it's a C or AA, goes in the same part. You know what, this one is not good. I took it out from the batteries. I have a recycling bin for batteries. Ooh, this one is weak, so I got it out of a recycling bin. I like it. This is so good and digital, very easy to use. This one is not good, and it seems to be pretty accurate. So the probably weak, I could put it in a remote control, use them all the way up. This one is completely done, so that's quite nice. Okay, let's test the weak one. Let's see if I can still power up this tool. Okay, this is a weak one, and let's test this battery from here. Will it be enough power for this tool to be Still testable. Yes, this one is much better. And it's still working, so I should save that battery. Oh. Looks like that battery went out all the way. Let's test it again. So this is just too weak. Okay, put this one back in. Lock this back in. And one more test. This is such a good tool for all of the batteries. Easy to test. Ooh, now it's poor. It got drained even more, so this is not a good battery anymore. Yeah, it's just old as well. So very good tool to have. There is also 1.1 volt battery test, 3 volt. Then there's CRP2, CRV3. Very nice. I think this idea is a for 9 volt battery tester. Oh yeah, it does says 9 volt. Okay, so we'll test pretty much every household battery that I would use. Got it here, shade or windshield cover. Let's see what it's about. Comes with a nice holder. Looks like an umbrella, but with this cover it has this nice like sun reflecting. Ooh, this one is nice because it can go over this little mirror if it has to be done this way. But looks like with my car it's fine. Wow, it covers so much. All I have to do is flip it, close this, flip it, close that, and my whole car is covered up. I don't see much sun going through, so that way my dashboard get protected from sun, and also the whole car doesn't heat up. It's beautiful. And once it's done, I'm ready to drive. All I have to do is open it, close this, and put it all together. Beautiful. Okay, find this end. This is such a good idea. I really enjoy it. And it comes with this holder, so it won't even take too much space. There's my holder. So that way it stays nice and clean in the holder. Put it in and slide it in. Craig panel carrier. I love these things because they got big pieces of drywall, plywood, even heavier or anything like that. There's a nice grippy octagon like a rubber mat on both sides. Opens this way and grips up. Slides in here. Slides in, grab over the shoulder and carry that. Very nice. And drop it, release it. So good. I really like it. The handle feels like rubberish a little bit with metal. I love it. Okay, this is how wide it gets. That's the widest, and then all the way to very skinny. That's cool. This side here, master lock, hitch lock. That is cool. Okay, comes with the keys right here. Let's unlock it. Turn and comes out. It has like a spring on it on the turn, and pull it out. So pretty easy, and it has a really nice cover. It just looks so unique and cool. Okay, I have to unlock it to lock it back in, or will it click in? Looks like I'll have to unlock it to lock it back in, and we'll go real quick see if it fits. There is a visual how the lock works. Okay, twist it open, lock it. Let's see, maybe we can just push into it and it will lock itself. Nope, have to have a key in it. Let's see. Now that the key in it, it'll actually push in by itself. Wow, very nice. Blue towels, just add water. Let's open one up. Let's add water a little bit. Wow. It's expanding so much. That's cool. Not too much water, because now it will unfold. And now we have like a wet towelette or blue towel. This is nice and big. Might have to zoom back the camera again because it will not fit. And I have moist towel to do like a sponge bath or whatever. Okay, and let's see, in case I wanna like dry it out and use it as a dry towel. Oh yeah, holds a lot of water. And let's see if it is going to be still absorbent enough to grab it. Now this is pretty dry towel, can use it to dry my hands off. Beautiful, yeah, works really well, not super wet at all. And there's lots of water, boom, and it will hold everything back in and becomes wet towelette again. That is cool. AA 12-pack battery organizer. I think it's pretty cool. So let's put some batteries in and it clicks in. Let me put one more. It has right here like a little clip, and it's pretty easy to remove it too. And this is what it's going to look like whenever it's pretty full. It's full of batteries, highly protected. In a way it's a shockproof too, so if I need to bring a bunch of batteries with me traveling, just grab one of these and go. Maybe in the field, if I'm like working in the field and battery required, would be easy to transport them. They shake a little bit in there, but they're highly protected, and also I can just stand them up, stack them up. Beautiful, very good. Need to take some batteries out. Boom. Need some more batteries. So easy. Boom. Sits in there really well. So overall, a really good option for battery organizer around the house, and also to go. Just grab a whole pack and go. Got it here, full pack AA battery organizer. This is quite nice to bring it into, I don't know, like a camera backpack in case I need AA batteries. I'll always have them. Or like camping. Nice to bring it camping, or just around the house. Nice full pack organizer. Sits in there instead of having loose batteries. It's quite nice. It spins, it shakes, but it will not come out. It sits really well. I need a couple batteries, just grab it, remove it. Two more, boom, grab it, remove it. I really enjoy these battery holders. Just so many uses for it. Bring it camping, bring it to work, whatever. Nice.